Colorado Watershed Assembly combines forces with many partners, and we tailor included groups to suit your needs. The Colorado Data Sharing Network provides an innovative toolkit for organizations to manage, analyze, and share their water quality data. Save time, money, and resources by joining over 70 other organizations throughout the state currently using the CDSN. CDPHE's 303D list of impaired waters is a great starting document to identify potential projects and then secure state funding. Find the interactive map on our homepage with recipients of Non-Point Source 319 grants and Healthy Rivers Fund grants, all on a background of clickable impaired waters. One Water Solutions Institute with CSU developed eRAMs from public databases as a tool to assess and manage water. Use CSU's water quality tool to interpret numbers from sampling. Data literacy workshops inspire, empower, and equip your community to interpret data as a catalyst to achieve your shared vision for the watershed. Discover existing data and data gaps. Identify concerns along your waterway. Develop an action plan. Name potential improvement projects. And pursue funding opportunities with compelling proposals. Are you in? Share this video and meet with your colleagues. Then email us to request a workshop.